This is a video tutorial about how to merge multiple TS files into one by means of the user-friendly program, Joyoshare Video Joiner. After downloading and installing the program, double-click to run it and straightway drag TS files to its interface. Or click Open File to add files. Then go to Format to specify a merging mode and an output format. With the encoding mode, it is allowed that you customize parameters of codec channel, sample rate, bitrate, resolution, frame rate, etc. Besides, you can also touch Edit to trim TS videos. Crop or flip them. Change aspect ratio. Adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and hue. Add visual effects and frames. Create unique watermarks. Insert subtitles. Adjust audio volume and weight. Apply sound effects. After setting up, touch OK to confirm. If you need to keep TS video with 100% original quality after merging, you have to work with the high-speed mode, that is to combine identical media files at 60x speed without quality reduction. After that, get back to the first interface to preview your TS videos. For something unwanted, move the timeline to delete it. When all is ready, press on Convert to merge your TS files together.